The 2012 Porsche 997 Turbo S by McChip DKR. Porsche already unveiled the new generation Porsche Turbo, but German tuner McChip DKR decided to focus on the 997 generation. Today, the tuner announced a new tuning kit that will considerably improve the look and output level of the 997 Turbo S. McChip DKR did its most important work under the hood of the Porsche, as it installed a Stage 3 kit that includes modified engine management with software adaptation, and an exhaust system with sports cats and new headers. As a result, the car's standard 530 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque jumped to 600 horsepower and 601 pound-feet. The price for this upgrade is €8,499, about $11,300 at the current exchange rates. Other performance upgrades include a new set of GT2 RS rims with Michelin Cup tires and PASM coilovers from the Bilstein company. Click past the jump to read more about the Porsche 997 Turbo S by McChip DKR. Porsche 997 Turbo S by McChip DKR in detail. Front detail. The 997 Turbo S received a series of exterior upgrades, starting with round lamps inspired by the original 911 launched in 1963, a carbon fiber roof and a Michelin rear window. Interior details. The interior was upgraded with a HEGEMANN roll cage, Recaro SPG shell-type racing seats wrapped in a combination of Alcantara and leather.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.